I'm back again with our phonics part 5 video. In this video, this is the end of our phonics, and over here we are showing some videos of our good results also, the kids who are reading very nicely using all these techniques. So after diagrams, next level which you can go is the combinations of teaching like and, from, is, and, at, all that. You can next go to, see, the normal school, like you can select a single book. It's like not LKG. School syllabus doesn't matter. Any UKG book you can just target. See, here I have taken one book. It's like Spark Semester Series 2. So any UKG book is fine because it's there in all syllabus and all UKG books. Once you go through that, you can see you will get a set of words like this. See, it's there in all the books. See, did you see? It's a combinations of some 3 word sounds like, see, at, which I have already told all that. See, bat, can, lad, cap, bag, cat. These all are some 3 sound words. See, 3 sounded words. So after those pronounce all that, you can teach all these kind of words, which is not more than like 4. So all these words you can target, which is available. See, you can buy a book like UKG syllabus book. See, these all are some combinations of 3 word sounds. See, did you see? Sob, rob, mop, op, hop. See, all this. So you can teach the child these kinds of words. After teaching these kinds of words, in the same book itself, you can get some sentences like, see, a cat and a rat, a cap on a map. See, we are making it a sentence. So while once you reach this level, definitely your child's attention must have been improved. You do not take tensions that you are supposed to, you can teach so like after targeting all the, once you finish teaching all these 3 sound words, definitely your child's attention must have been improved. The next level you can go to, see, the same book itself, you will get some combinations of sentences with these sounds. See, a key on a bed, a red hen in a pen. So as I already said, once you reaches this level, the child will be very good in joining, like, at, on, all that too. So once you reaches this level, then our technique is not required. The child must have been doing, definitely. If not, maybe somewhere you must have been gone wrong. Again, you have to do our diagrams, all that training before. Without, if you are not getting these sentences, or if you are not getting, like, see, once you reaches here, in, then again the child will not be joining. It is as in. By looking at this itself, the child should be able to understand it's in. Okay, so that is very important. Just keep in mind. So while looking at, see, looking at this, did you see this? Looking at this, the child will be understanding it's on. Here, our technique is not required. On. If your child is not understanding it is on a single look, you please do go back. Maybe somewhere something has gone wrong. You have to do all our steps again. So you can teach, you can target, you can make the child read in the printed word, in the text itself. This again, you don't have to write it anywhere in your notebook. See, a keg on a bed. Babu, you can say the child. Can you look at this sentence? Let's read the sentence again. Please do look. See, it's a, a, d, a, d, re, d. So d comes. Already re is here. Red, red. So just help your child. Here you do not have to explain or anything, and you do not speak more. A red hen in a pen. So you can target these kinds of sentences. See, it's there in all UKG books. You will get, see, cub in a tub, a bug on a mug, run with the bun. Okay, so once your child is able to do this, then if your child is able to do, then you don't worry. Okay, fine, you can move friend with small stories which is there in the same book like UKG. Also, do not go to the first standard level all that. Let the child read all the rhymes. See, it's what the child should be able to do all this. And another thing, in English while reading, there are some sounds which I have not taken it separately, like it's when or I'm sorry, when a sound comes, it's like oh. So all those actually, their child will be reading, learning through experience. When the child look at all the sounds, reading many experience, all that, the child will be automatically reading. You just keep a track. Let the child see the sound or the word which is difficult. Let the child see for like more than 5 times, 10 times a day. Later, slowly it will go inside your child's head. And if I'm not wrong, it will take some time. I think around, it can go around 6 months also. It can go up to 6 months also, the phonics or making your child read. It's not that simple. So you can follow these techniques. If you have any doubts or anything, you can put a comment or you can message me also personally. So thanks for watching. And our next videos are there many. We are here to help you, our dear parents. Don't worry. Our next video is about like all that attention span, how you can make your child speak fast, all that. So please do subscribe. Those who have not subscribed, you can subscribe. Thanks for watching.